Hi guys, thought I would just share this little package with you. I've received this from, her name's Karen Munro, and she's on the Facebook group, the Junk Journals Down Under Facebook group, and she contacted me to see if I wanted some, I can't remember, I'm so bad, but I think she said she had some envelopes that she thought I could make use of. And I thought it was really, really nice of her to offer. And look, I always feel like a scab or something taking stuff from people, or I'm really bad at accepting gifts, or just, you know, even if like at work you go down to the pub after work on a Friday afternoon and go for drinks, you know, I'm always the one that doesn't want someone else to buy me a drink. I have no problem buying stuff for other people or giving stuff to other people. I just have trouble accepting stuff. I think that comes from, you know, we were raised, when we were kids, we were always raised, you know, if someone offered you something, to say no out of politeness. And yeah, I have that ingrained in me, and I don't know, it's something I still struggle with. I get embarrassed or something, I don't know, but anyway, but I think I'm getting a little bit better. But anyway, it's so nice of her to offer. But I do know that that she, I did post a message on Facebook ages ago about some wallpaper. I came across some wallpaper haul books that I did a haul video on, and I do remember that she had mentioned wanting some wallpaper. So I thought, oh, okay, I'll accept her little gift, and then I will send her some wallpaper back. But she was so speedy, she'd sent it straight away, and I still haven't sent her wallpaper. Mostly because I'll put the link to the wallpaper haul video in the description box below. But they were these great big wallpaper books that I got from Reverse Garbage that I've mentioned in previous videos. And the size of them, the sheets are 48 by 48 centimeters square. So these are wallpaper sample sheets in a book, or 3 books I got. They're not rolls. And they're 48 by 48 centimeters square. And I've been like holding on to them for months because I don't know the best way to ship these. They're too big to send as a large letter, so they would have to go as a parcel unless I cut them down, which I kind of didn't want to do. But I think I'll just send them as parcels out to people, but it just means the shipping cost is more. But anyway, I'm going on. So Karen, I will send you some wallpaper. I think I already told you on Facebook I was going to send some back, and yeah, I won't cut them down. I'll just send them as a parcel. So I've just cut it open. I haven't looked at it yet. I just cut it open so that you wouldn't be tortured watching me try and open them. But Karen, actually, she just started a YouTube channel, and I'll put the link in the description box below as well. She makes the most amazing journals and embellishments, and she made this awesome oriental journal. It's so beautiful. You've got to check out her video. And she's just such a really lovely person. Like on Facebook, every time someone says they need something, or she's always the first to offer. Like, so generous and giving. Like, just a really beautiful person. Oh my gosh, Karen, you sent so much. I thought these were just some little envelopes that you salvaged from somewhere. Oh, let me get rid of this box. I like this little box as well. If you've ever ordered anything off my Etsy shop or got a rack or something from me, a Happy Mail, you know that all of my stuff is recycled, and so you'll get the most random boxes being sent to you. Oh wow, I didn't realize you were sending a whole bunch of goodness. Like, I thought you just had a few envelopes, you know. I was thinking brown envelopes that you had salvaged from somewhere. Oh my goodness, look at these. These are beautiful, Karen. You didn't have to send all this. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so sweet of you. You know, all my envelopes that I have, I occasionally come across some nice ones in op shops, but they're all salvaged. These are beautiful, the thick brown card ones. This is like one of the ones they put in you know, wedding invitations in. It's really thick. Oh wow, these are beautiful. See, I never have pretty things like this because I don't buy craft supplies. I only want to stick to recycled, and so whenever someone gives me something like this, I feel like I want to hang on to it forever. Like, I don't want to use it. I love these. She knows me so well. That's embossed. That's so pretty. Oh, look at those. Oh, they're so gorgeous. I love how they're got that little wavy bit. I've seen a lot of people cut. I think they use a die cut or something to make them as well. Oh, that's beautiful. Helen Steiner rice. You always every Australian knows Helen Steiner rice. It's so pretty. Wow, where did you come across all these envelopes? I did actually get this package on, I think it was Thursday, and I knew it was coming because she had mentioned that she was sending it, but I didn't know when. And I was home that day, but I nicked out the backyard for like 2 minutes to feed, I've got a blue tongue lizard. And I came in and I was like, damn, I missed the postman. And he left a little card that I had to go down and pick it up at the post office. And then I didn't get down there till really late Friday. Wow, what are these? They've got like this little envelope thingy. Do you put a picture behind them? I've never seen those. They're so cute. Wow, you put so many in here. Thank you so much. Oh, look at that. That is so gorgeous. Oh, that is beautiful. That looks really old, this one. That's all textured as well. That is adorable. Oh, that's beautiful. It's a card. Wow, Karen, you sent way too much. So generous. Oops, I'm getting low battery. I better hurry. Oh, do you hear that? That's Clive banging on the door because I shut the door and he wants to come in. Look at that. That's so gorgeous. Oh, and it fits those envelopes. Oh, we put 2 in there. These are so thick. And kind of shimmery. So pretty. Oh, Karen, thank you so much. Really, this is so generous. This is like way more than I thought. Okay, now I'm glad I didn't do my usual embarrassed. No, 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 no. They're so pretty. Look at that. Oh, oh. Look at this. This is like that handmade paper. Oh my god, they feel beautiful. Look, that's actual little leaves. I do make handmade paper now and then. but it doesn't ever turn out as beautiful as this. Actually, I need to get another blender. I ruined our blender. They're so beautiful. Oh my gosh, imagine those in a botanical garden, botanical journal. Oh, I love those so much. Beautiful papers. Oh God. Oh my gosh, Karen, seriously, you put so much in here. It's like this never-ending pile. Oh goodness, look at that. Oh, and these are so delicious. Look at this paper. It's so thick and nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, Karen, you've sent way too much. Wow. I'm so thankful, so grateful. Thank you so much. And I better end the video before this cuts off because I didn't charge my phone last night. But thank you so much. I love it all. I'm speechless. It's so beautiful. Thank you, and I'll get your little package off to you tomorrow, actually Monday. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.